In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Bluetooth problems on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Just keep pressing and holding the side button. And as you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. Now under the Bluetooth settings, just make sure you enable the toggle for Bluetooth. Now after you enable Bluetooth, then just tap on the eye icon in front of the name of your Bluetooth device. Just like that. Then just select Forget this device. Select Forget device. Now after you forget the Bluetooth device, then just try to pair the Bluetooth device again with your iPad. Now if you have done that, but if this also did not work, then just go to Battery, and under the Battery section, just scroll down, and you will find the option for Low Power Mode. Now if Low Power Mode is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. Because sometimes when this feature is enabled on your iPad, this can interfere with the working of Bluetooth of your iPad, so make sure that it is turned off. Now after you do that, then just tap on General, and under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And over here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just tap on Update Now and update the software of your iPad. After you do that, then just go back to the General settings, and over here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad, you will just reset all the network-related settings of your iPad, including the Bluetooth settings. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and try to connect your Bluetooth device with your iPad. But if you're still facing Bluetooth issues with your iPad, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the Bluetooth problems on your iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.